Many adults believe they struggle with the GED reading test because they are not good at reading, but that usually isn't the real problem. Most adults who struggle with the GED reading test can read the words on the page. The real difficulty comes from something completely else: reasoning with the text. The GED does not test whether you can read the words, it's testing whether you can analyze ideas and make sense of the author's reasoning. You have to determine an author's claim, evaluate evidence, recognize tone or bias, and draw conclusions from information that isn't always stated directly. For many adult learners, these are skills they were never explicitly taught. They were asked to read passages in schools, but they were rarely shown how to break down arguments, evaluate reasoning, or connect evidence to conclusions. So when they face a GED passage filled with arguments, claims, and subtle meaning, it can feel overwhelming, not because they can't read, but because no one ever taught them the structure behind the text. The good news is that these skills can be absolutely learned. When students understand the arguments, how they work, how evidence supports ideas, and how authors build meaning, the reading test starts to make sense. And when that happens, confidence grows quickly. Good readers are not born, they are taught how to think with the text.